Test 2. We will read each question, build an intuitive picture, and then solve it step by step. Section A. Multiple choice. Question 1. The sum of angles on a straight line is blank degrees. Think of a straight road with a flagpole at the middle. Any two touching angles along the road must fill a half turn, which is a straight line. So alpha plus beta equals 180 degrees. Therefore, the correct choice is C, 180 degrees. Question 2. A quadrilateral with both pairs of opposite sides parallel is called what? Here are 4 shapes: a rhombus, a trapezium, a parallelogram, and a kite. Only the parallelogram guarantees that both pairs of opposite sides are parallel. So the answer is C, parallelogram. Question 3. The area of a rectangle is 63 square centimeters, and the length is 9 centimeters. What is the width? Area equals length times width. So width equals area divided by length. That is 63 divided by 9, which is 7 centimeters. Therefore, the correct choice is B, 7 centimeters. Section B. Extended response. Question 4. A triangle has 2 angles measuring 50 degrees and 60 degrees. We will draw a triangle with those 2 angles and label the third as X. The 3 angles of a triangle always add to 180 degrees. So X equals 180 minus 50 minus 60. That gives X equals 70 degrees. All 3 angles are less than 90 degrees. So the triangle is an acute angled triangle. Question 5. A rectangular garden measures 12 meters by 8 meters. Perimeter is 2 times the length plus the width. So P equals 2 times parenthesis 12 plus 8 parenthesis, which is 40 meters. Area is length times width. So A equals 12 times 8, which is 96 square meters. Fencing costs $15 per meter, and fencing goes around the perimeter. So cost equals 40 times 15 equals $600. Question 6. A circle has a radius of 10 centimeters. Use pi equals 3.14. The circumference is 2 times pi times r. So C equals 2 times 3.14 times 10, which is 62.8 centimeters. The area is pi times r squared. So A equals 3.14 times 10 squared, which is 314 square centimeters. Here is a quick answer key and mark distribution summary. Question 1, C, 180 degrees. Question 2, C, parallelogram. Question 3, B, 7 centimeters. Question 4, third angle equals 70 degrees. Triangle is acute. Question 5, perimeter 40 meters, area 96 square meters, cost $600. Question 6, circumference 62.8 centimeters, area 314 square centimeters. Great work revising. Thanks for watching and happy studying.